Notice this deformed control panel cavity. It is a result of trying to install a Kwik Plug harness the wrong way and over-enthusiastic use of a Dremel tool. I will show you the correct way to install the harness. Place the harness in the control cavity and run the wires through the pickups, bridge, and output jack. Once this is done, install the switch, volume, and tone pots to the control panel plate. Connect the wires to the pickups and the ground wire to the bridge. Place a ground wire in the middle screw hole. No need to solder and secure the bridge. Install the output jack and screw it into place. Test the pickups using a screwdriver and an amplifier. Screw the control plate and pick guard into place. Install the knobs. Retest the electronics and pickups again using a screwdriver and an amplifier. If you follow these steps, you can install the Kwik Plug harness without using a Dremel or soldering iron and avoid a guitar horror show. Also use a harness with a small volume and tone pots. Hit the like and subscribe. See you in the next video.